I think to make a $1,000 per month and you need an income streams, and that's you make a $33 per day, and this is way more rich and you make things. Now it's all about a working smarter and not a harder, and leveraging the power of AI to build a what's I like to call a digital assets. And how to exactly what I am going to show how you can do today work, how to use power of AI to right way, and how to build your income streams even if you starting from zero. So you can maybe a smart and lazy but all at the same time work, and while building your business that will pay you for the rest of life, and so you live a lazy but peaceful lifestyle. That's the exact life that's I achieve doing this online side hustles, and that what I went for you too, and if I could do it, so can you. Two of another pupils are starting this online business after watching my YouTube this video and trying this themselves, and you guys have gotten so many crazy results. And again, if you can do it, why cannot you? Before we get into this business model, let's dive in. First of all, what's really means to leverage of AI. Most people's doing it and doing it completely wrong. AI is not a business, it's a leverage behind of the business. There a hug difference between using AI and build with AI. The most pupils go on a chat GPT to write a few prompts and think that's a leverage. That's not a leverage. That is a funny. Real leverage happen when you use AI to different outputs without multiple your effort. So it's not just helping your brainstorm, but actual doing the heavy lifting research, content creation, and product development or a automation. Think about it this way: before AI comes on the market, to start a online business, you need a team, skills, or time. AI gives you all three instantly. It's like hiring a full-time research or copywriter, designer, and a strategy all for free. But here the secrets that separate winners from everyone else. The pupils making a real money with AI aren't chasing tools, they building a system. So let's in this video I am going to just show tools, and but the actually going to show how you can build the system with AI lazy way, so it can work for you while you sleep, and just scaling while you are living your best life. When it comes to online business, and there are two roads to leverage that you can use with AI leverage, and one choose depend on what when to you actually to sell and focus. You can either use AI to build a niche stores that sell a digital product or physical product, and this business sell a exercise based product. But the things the most people don't realized, both of this follow the exact process. They both use AI to research and creation or automate. They just different in what a sale. One sale are a gym product, or which things are like a problem solving product or a home good, and self care or a lifestyle product, yeah, item. They another one is a digital products like a template, e-course, or a online courses. But the business follow is literally identical, and you find a profitable niche. You build a store or a platform, produce a marketing or creation content and automate this system. So it run when you not even work, and all of this systems is literally done by AI. As you have the knowledge which I got you, once you truly understand this online business formula, you could just copy this across a bunch of another models and build tons of different income stream that's practically run themselves, all with the some exact strategy. You just have to understand how to start this AI systems. I show you how to set up both today. So you start with a exercise e-commerce stores, but you are not going to have to hold any of the inventory yourself. This will the finally automate the first AI tools that we are going to need for this one called a build your store. It's does not just build you a website. Actually, this like a store's owners. It analyze real times data, find high demand product and profitable niche in minutes. Youngers going to have a fully functioning AI generate store package and a proven product ready to make sale right way. It the best part is you don't have to handle inventory packing or shipping, or a supplier fulfill the orders automatically while AI messages everything's behind the scene. Let's do the togethers, and I left the link for this right in my descriptions box below. So click that link, and when you are there is will bring you to this page. All you have to do is enter your name in here, enter emails, and here you will pick your niche. You choose a fashion and apparel, electronic, home, sports and fitness. I not sure. And if you do that, it's just have you a randoms. And even if you don't see your niche here, just pick the one there most similar to what you are doing. Going to just together this step by step progress and of getting your stores, and with a 1 minutes you now have you done for you online stores ready to go. So now we have your online stores ready to go, and it so crazy that's this AI build this for us this fast. So again, like I already told you guys, there already winning product added for your right here, and randoms like I said earlier. This are product that you going to sell without having to actually have a deals with the inventory, no shipping or ship anythings yourself. Second business model I not explain in this video because the first are very long and second explain in another video. But again, do not give up, guys. Make sure you subscribe me on YouTube this channel. Thank you watching video. And let's up and down and choose your storeness and many options. You click and follow this options or this log out because I not CCPNs and not happy.